Hello everybody, this is Disha from VBox and today I will take you to the process of taking the exams online. The URL that is you can see on the screen is mentioned on the university website. On the website with the URL there will be a steps of filling the registration form. Click on the URL and refer to the steps to fill in the application form. Once you have clicked on the URL, you need to refer all the steps and every manual that has been uploaded on the website. While filling the registration form, an email will be sent from the email ID which is support@vbox.com. The registration form will have various steps which includes filling the application form and doing the face training process. The face training process includes candidate taking 4 images on the screen, then using the same credentials the candidate needs to take the mock. It is mandatory to take the mock. Once the form has been filled in all the aspects, candidate needs to use the same login credential that was received on the email to take the mock and to take the all the exam that has been given according to its schedule. I have typed in my login ID and password. Everybody is requested to type in rather than copy pasting from the email received. I click on continue. Once done, I will land on the test selection page. You will see that there are two mocks assigned to you, MCQ and subjective. Candidates are requested to take the mock according to the test papers. If you have any concerns on this page, you can refer to the chat box here and get your queries to your answers. And support number has already been sent on the email. If you have any technical problems, you can connect on the support number or any kind of concerns. I am click on the continue button for taking the MCQ mock test. And now I land on the environmental check page. I click on proceed now. As it is a remote proctored assessment, 4 things are mandatory: your internet speed of 1 Mbps, the suggested browser which is Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. Candidates using the Apple devices, MacBook, only Google Chrome browser will work. Safari will not work. In case you have crosses under camera and microphone, click on the lock button here. Make sure that your camera and microphone are in the allowed mode. In case any issue, you can refer to the chat box here. I click on continue and then land on this waiting lounge or the instruction page. Candidates are requested to log in 30 minutes prior to the test schedule time, and the test will start exactly on the test start time. Here, there you can see the test name, the allocated time, number of questions, the instructions. Candidates are requested to read all the instructions carefully. Once the timer is up, you will see a proceed now. Instead of resume, there will be a proceed now button here. Once the button has turned into green color, click on the checkbox and click on the proceed now button. Here my test is getting configured. This is the test taking page. You can see on the left side the number of questions that has been allocated to you in this particular test, and you can see the change of in the color. The gray color is the unattempted, the green is the attempted. Candidate can view the same instruction which is there on the instruction page. I click on the question and go on next. My color has changed. In case I click on auto next, once I've answered this question, I'll be automatically taken to another question. You have the feasibility of going back to the previous question and changing your answer in case you are unsure about this question. and I want to say come back to this question. You have a feasibility of flagging the question. I've selected, but I'm still unsure about this option. I flag this option and then I move forward. I'm answering here. Now I want to go back to the flag question and change my option. I click on the question 19, which was flagged, and now you need to unflag it. So you have the feasibility of going back to the question, and this was flagged. I change my option, and now I click on unflag. Once done, you need to end the test. In case you have finished your question paper, you can end the test. Please make sure not to close the tab. Instead, just end the test. There's a navigation count of 30 on the main papers. If the candidate is trying to minimize the screen and going to if the candidate is toggling to another screen, the candidate will get a warning. Anything above the test screen, even if a email notification or a say suppose a email notification system update, even a closing of that type will lead to a navigation count. After 30th navigation, your case will be gone into the UFM committee. As it is a remote proctored assessment, you have been watched throughout the test taking process. In case you have any concerns, you can chat with your proctor and the proctor can answer back. I am done with my exam. I will click end test button. I say yes, submit, and I get a message of successfully submit. So this was the process of taking the test online and MCQ test. So all the best for exams.